The Art of Eating Fruits, a guide to maximizing nutrition and enjoyment. Introduction. Fruits are nature's delightful gifts, offering an array of vibrant colors, refreshing flavors, and an abundance of essential nutrients. Incorporating fruits into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your health and well-being. While eating fruits may seem straightforward, there are certain guidelines and techniques that can help you extract the most nutritional value and enhance your overall enjoyment. In this article, we will explore the art of eating fruits and share tips to make the most of these natural wonders. Choose fresh and ripe fruits. When selecting fruits, opt for those that are ripe and fresh. Look for vibrant colors, firm textures, and fragrant aromas. Ripe fruits not only taste better but also contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Wash thoroughly. Before consuming any fruit, it's important to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. Rinse the fruits under cool running water, gently rubbing them with your hands. This practice ensures that you enjoy clean and safe fruits. Embrace variety. One of the joys of eating fruits is the wide variety available. Experiment with different types of fruits, both common and exotic, to discover new flavors and textures. Incorporating a diverse range of fruits into your diet ensures a broader intake of various nutrients, promoting optimal health. Eat seasonally.